Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat mga people. So today I make grocery. This is the one I buy. This is from the Krispy Kreme. I just try it. And I buy this sweet potato. Only I buy 4 pieces. This iceberg, really good for salad and healthy. Only one. And this almond, source of calcium, vitamin B2 and 12. Always I'm buying this. I mix it in this Milo. Sugar, brown sugar, 100% natural. And I try this yogurt, fruits and cereal low fat. And this is my favorite one, coconut water. And I'm using the oil, this one, canola, with vitamins. And it's good for our immune system. And I'm using the Himalayan salt. And I buy also Dove. This is the one I'm using. This is the antibacterial hand wash, jasmine. And the shower gel, aloe vera and cucumber. This is for all kind of skin. And I'm using this Sunsilk. So only this mga people. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Thank you for watching mga people. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless everyone. Until the next videos.